Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a Telegram channel by using Telegram app. Well, let's get into the video. So at first, open your Telegram app, go to this pen button and create on new channel option. Create your channel name, give your channel name like I'm giving. Well, then you can add a picture from here of your channel and give a short description here like I'm giving channel of four friends. And now click on the right button, and here you have to decide if it is a public channel or private channel. If you want to make it public, then keep it as public, or if you want to keep it private, then click on the private channel, and then you can copy the invitation link by clicking on the copy option and then click on the right button, and you can add people from here to add in your group or channel. I'm just clicking one and then click on the arrow button, and yeah, my channel is created. So this is how you have to create a channel in Telegram. So thank you so much for watching. If you want to get more exciting videos like this, please press the bell icon, subscribe to my channel, and like, comment and share on this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.